Welcome to another Rolled in Reacts episode. This car came in for its first regular oil change when the mechanic discovered this on the side of the car. And apparently this customer managed to puncture their tire in 14 different places. Customer states, "My car wobbles way too much." This mechanic was replacing some tires on this customer's truck. Apparently one of the tires had been frozen to the ground and ripped apart as he was driving away. Looks good. And this truck came in with a little bit of an electrical problem. Customer states, "The door locks, convertible top and other electronics don't work as they should. Please advise." It's probably fine. Apparently, this GMC Sierra had some work done at another shop, and according to the mechanic, the driver's side upper ball joint nut was also loose. The owner of this car came in saying that he thinks something ain't right with his back wheel. Customer states, "The engine is way too noisy." The mechanic found that the exhaust turbine housing mysteriously missed a V-band clamp. This Hyundai Santa Fe came in with some ball joint issues. These cool retractable hood lights were actually a feature on certain GM models between '88 and 1998. And this customer states, "It smells like a pig's butt while driving." This car came in because the owner complained about clunking noises from the wheels. Customer came in requesting a price quote for some brake work. He later refused all repairs and said he will just fix it himself with a YouTube tutorial. And this choo-choo train came in with some issues. Customer states, "My car is trying to start on its own. Please help." The mechanic found out the customer had mixed up the battery poles and wired the battery backwards. Looks like a lot of fun. This customer came in with his BMW X5 to get a repair quote. He never mentioned exactly how or what had happened to the car, but the mechanics noticed from the service book that the car had a lot of engine issues in the past. So they thought maybe this guy was actually just trying to get a new car from his insurance company. Customer states, "My car handles weirdly."
Oh, look. All you gotta do is move it down. Oh, that's under pressure. Yep.
This mechanic had done a brake job on his personal car and accidentally forgot the jack underneath. Customer states, "Heard a loud bang and car lost all power." Very nice. And this customer came in complaining about their truck moving a lot when turning. Customer came in complaining about a meowing sound from behind the steering wheel. The mechanic successfully rescued the little cat and ended up adopting it and taking it home. This customer refused to get their leaking tire fixed and just fixed it themselves in their own creative way, but ended up coming into the shop a couple days later. This customer got sideswiped by a semi-truck and apparently also got towed to the shop, but with the parking brake still engaged. And this customer had unexpectedly created a milkshake while driving. This car rolled in because the owner said he heard a pop from the back while driving. This 2022 F-150 came in because the customer complained about the four-wheel drive not working after only 5,000 miles of use. The mechanic opened up the transfer case and found this. And this customer came in complaining about a drained battery even after putting in a new one. Customer states, my wife hit a curb at 50 miles an hour. This Ford Transit 250 came in to get some brake work done, but the mechanic had some trouble finding the rear brake pad. Oh, there it is. And this car came in because of the check engine light constantly being on. And this customer complained about their car wobbling too much. Customer states, my tire has huge pimples. The mechanic found that this was likely caused by the tire being driven on extremely low pressure with camber and toe causing the inside of the tire to get hot and bubble up under pressure. I'm not sure swaying sway bars are actually a good thing. Uh-oh. And this differential has definitely seen some better days. And the owner of this Subaru had apparently spilled concrete mix in the trunk and the back seat. The mechanic later said that cleaning it up was the best time of his life. And this car came in because it was missing a bit of oil. Customer states, I think I have a turkey underneath my car. The owner of this 1997 Land Rover D90 complained about a strange noise coming from the differentials. Apparently, he hadn't changed the differential gear oil in 15 years, and this is what came out when the mechanic removed the oil plug. This customer was driving on the highway when a turtle came flying and wanted to say hi. Thankfully, the turtle was still alive and later brought to an animal shelter. And this customer came in with their Hyundai because he had fixed an oil leak all by himself with glue and Flex Seal spray, but the car was still leaking oil. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and until next time.